This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the Procolored K13-Lite DTF Printer. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below for the latest price. The Procolored K13-Lite is designed as a professional yet beginner-friendly DTF solution, making it perfect for small businesses, creative studios, and apparel printing shops. What stands out immediately is its LiteHead technology, which helps users get started easily with lower maintenance requirements and comes bundled with an extended warranty for peace of mind. This makes it much less intimidating compared to more complex industrial models. One of the biggest challenges in direct-to-film printing is ink clogging, especially with white ink. Procolored addresses this by including an automated cleaning system that works every 10 hours, reducing clogging by up to 85%. On top of that, the printer has a built-in white ink circulation feature that runs every 30 minutes, preventing sediment buildup and extending printhead life up to 5 times longer than average. This is a huge plus for anyone who wants consistent performance without frequent downtime. Another highlight is the infrared safeguard system, which detects debris as small as 2 mm, preventing nearly 90% of common mechanical failures. In practice, this means fewer interruptions and a longer lifespan for your machine, which directly translates into cost savings. And when it comes to print quality, the K13-Lite is G7 certified. This ensures color accuracy, meaning the vibrant tones you see on your screen are precisely what get transferred onto fabric. For businesses that rely on customer satisfaction and repeat orders, this consistency is a real game changer. Now, it's not all perfect. The maximum print speed is fairly modest at about 1 page per minute, so it may not be the right choice for very high-volume production environments. However, for medium-scale operations or customized apparel businesses, the balance of quality and reliability often outweighs raw speed. Its compact size also makes it ideal for studios with limited space, and the pink finish gives it a stylish, standout look. Finally, Procolored backs this machine with a 12-month warranty, including 2 free printhead replacements if damage occurs within that period. Add to that responsive customer support available 6 days a week, and you have a printer that not only performs well but is also supported strongly after purchase. For anyone looking to step into the DTF printing market with confidence, the K13-Lite is a solid and well-rounded option.